On today's Market of Choice Gracious Kitchen, I'm sharing one of my favorite breakfast hacks that is so easy that when you're making the decision what to make for breakfast, there's no waffling over this recipe. If you've been watching Gracious Kitchen, you know I will throw just about anything into a waffle iron, and today's recipe is my favorite. It is so easy, your older kids can make it, and the best part is there's very little cleanup. This recipe makes 4 waffles, and the first thing we're going to do is preheat our waffle iron. While your waffle iron is warming, grab your ingredients. 4 cups frozen hash browns, 4 eggs beaten or whipped, 1 cup of shredded cheese. We're going to use about 1/4 cup for each waffle, 3 chopped green onions, and 1/4 pound thinly sliced ham from the Market of Choice deli that I just chopped up, or you can use bacon if you'd like. Once the waffle iron is ready to go, we're going to brush it with olive oil or use cooking spray. To the waffle iron, we're going to lay the base to our waffle, which is 1 cup hash browns. To the base, we're going to add about 1/4 of the egg mixture. We want to make sure that the hash browns are coated, but we don't want to add too much as it will overflow when we close the waffle iron, followed by 1/4 cup of shredded cheese. Next, we're going to sprinkle over some ham or the bacon. Finally, top with green onions and season with salt and pepper. Close the top and cook until the light on your waffle iron shows that it's finished. Now, you may be wondering what's next, but that's it. It's a perfect, quick and easy morning recipe. We like to top it with hot sauce or ketchup. You can have all of the ingredients in your refrigerator, great for Saturday mornings or a quick and easy breakfast. And for this and more family-friendly Gracious Kitchen recipes, click the video tab at marketofchoice.com. Because remember, friends, the best place to connect with our kids is in the car and the kitchen.